Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a delicious and easy meal that will leave you feeling satisfied, you've come to the right place. Today we're making a mouth-watering slow cooker honey garlic chicken that's sure to impress your taste buds. First things first, let's get started on the prep. Grab some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into 1-inch pieces. The key to perfectly cooked chicken is making sure the pieces are all uniform in size. Once you've cut up the chicken, set it aside and let's move on to the coating. In a shallow dish, mix together cornstarch, salt, and pepper. This mixture will give the chicken a crispy coating that will hold up in the slow cooker. If you're following along at home, as always, the ingredients list and directions are in the description. If you'd like, you can add a little bit of onion powder or garlic powder to this mix, and then just mix thoroughly before you coat your chicken. Coat the chicken pieces in the cornstarch mixture. Shake off the excess and set them aside. Now it's time to brown the chicken. Heat up some oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and brown the chicken pieces until they're crispy and golden brown. This step is important because it will add a ton of flavor to the dish. Once the chicken is browned, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Next up, it's time to make the sauce. You're going to want to mix together honey, low-sodium soy sauce, hoisin sauce, minced garlic, red pepper flakes, and dried ginger. This sauce is packed with flavor and will give the chicken a delicious glaze. Add the browned chicken to the slow cooker and pour the sauce over the top. Make sure everything is well coated and give it a good stir. Now it's time to let the slow cooker work its magic. Cover the slow cooker and let everything cook for 4 hours. The chicken will be tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. After 4 hours, check to see if the sauce is thick enough. If it's not, add a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. This will help the sauce cling to the chicken and give it a delicious glaze. When it's time to stir, steam some broccoli and rice and top it all off with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Trust us, the combination of the sweet honey and garlic paired with the nutty sesame seeds is out of this world. give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Leave us a comment below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see us make. Don't forget to tag us in your photos when you try this recipe at home. We love seeing your creations. In conclusion, this slow cooker honey garlic chicken is the perfect meal for any night of the week. It's easy to make, packed with flavor, and will leave you feeling satisfied. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.